Hey everyone, welcome to the presentation. So today we're going to discuss AI in general, and specifically we will talk about how we can implement it in our life and how we could use AI app just to improve your general life processes and your business processes. So first of all, I will tell briefly about myself. My name is Paulina. I'm responsible for influencer marketing and marketing in general in the company called OKeyAI. So I have experience of working as influencer marketing manager in TikTok for 3 years, and I also had my own marketing agency. And I also had experience working with a lot of AI companies doing marketing for them. But today, what I really would like to tell you and to introduce you the platform that can really, I would say it personally changed my life, the way I work. It really improved a lot of processes, and probably it can help you, and I will explain you why. So I will just share the screen. So let's start from the beginning. So talking about AI, everyone is talking about AI. It's like now a big trend. And what it's really important that now it's more not even a trend. It's I would say that a change of era. So electricity was introduced to the mankind. So then now we see the largest economic shift in 100 years. And the interesting thing that we really can feel it like ourselves. It's not like something happening on the outside. No, it's happening in our real life. So what we already see that 1 billion of professions are transforming. 5 billion people will use AI in the next 5 years. And the volume of the AI market will be $10 trillion by 2030. So it's like numbers are tremendous. And we really see this big shift. And as I mentioned before, everyone is talking about AI. But the thing is that only 3 out of 4 people have not yet tried AI. No, actually, it's not correct. Only 3 out of 4 people, only 1 of 4 people tried AI. 3 out of 4 people, they didn't try it. So the main growth is still ahead. So despite the fact that everyone is talking about AI, not a lot of people actually use it in their everyday life. Not a lot of people probably even using, but not but not getting any income from it. So AI is used by millions, it's true, but only a few people like found the system that could help them to earn. So AI exists, but there are no results. So people generate content, but the content doesn't bring clients. People using AI, they test dozens of AI services, but they just pay for subscriptions and they waste money. They do not understand how to turn AI into sales. Again, they just produce content, produce buzz, but it doesn't bring any outcome. They get lost into the chaos of tools and automations. It's also a big problem right now because it becomes really complicated to navigate in these thousands, I would say thousands of AI apps. And of course, the business model is changing and it's changing forever. So earlier there were we all know teams, offices, a lot of services, subscriptions, and chaos of neural networks. So what we see for now, actually, we need sometimes even only one person and unified AI system that will help this person to produce content, to bring clients, to make sales, and do all the management in one app. Actually, I mean, everyone is it's well known and everyone is waiting for it. So companies startups that worth more than $1 billion, unicorns actually. So we're all waiting for it's predicted that pretty soon this kind of company will be created only by one person. So even like a couple of years ago, we couldn't imagine it, that like one person who could create a company worth like $1 billion. But what we see for now, yes, it can happen if we have like person who knows what to do, and he has like necessary tools, but not like, again, like the system of random tools, unified AI system. So what we would like to introduce, and when we're talking about our app called OKeyAI, we're introducing you the home management from the phone. It's like a big feature. So using only one app, you can launch your business without a team, and you scale without limits. So you have everything in one place: content, clients, and sales. You have up to 80% of tasks automated. So can you imagine like how much time would you have after like you automate 80% of tasks? So you can really automate your routine and delegate this time to other tasks, more priority tasks, or just like to rest. You also can scale without a team or dozens and dozens of services. And you will be able to save up to $10,000 per month. I will explain why, like what the math behind it. So actually, like, of course, like I mentioned, you save a lot of money on subscriptions. Again, like we buy a lot of subscriptions, and like it's pretty big burden, but it's not that big. The burden of having a team of 5-10 people who don't bring you results. I mean, if you ever been an entrepreneur, but this presentation not only for entrepreneurs, but like freelancer, any kind, like even like if you're a mom with kids. And of course, like for example, you hired a nanny or something like that. You understand how important to find a person who will bring you the result. But the sad thing about it that you pay money, but sometimes you don't see results. Again, with this app, with OKeyAI, you will be able to create a team of AI agents, a full-fledged system that will replace from 5 to 15 people who would work in your team. That means like saving a lot of money on salaries. So it's a good thing. So what we offer is a unified business process. And what's very important to highlight that above all of it is AI training. AI training is already included in our app. And it's like extremely important to highlight. Because like what you see on the market, you can buy AI courses. You can buy AI apps, like AI apps that would help you automate. That's why like you have a lot of things you need to learn. And it's like constantly becoming outdated, and it's a big problem. With our app, what you already have when you just buy access to our platform, you already have AI training that not just giving you some like general theories. No, it gives you an exact plan how to implement your knowledge into your business processes, your personal processes, depends on your needs. So everything from beginning, from packaging, from just like helping to understand what you need, helping to understand where you like, what your goals, targets, plans, till the end, from like content conversion, sales management, to like efficiency and scaling. So yes, like our platform is like, it's really good for beginners, we would say. Because again, what we see that a lot of people are afraid of starting using AI apps because they think that it's too late to start. We always tell these people, no, it's not too late. It's the exact time to start. But what you really need to find a good platform that will help you to do it. So from the first use of AI, we're not afraid to say this, you can create your own AI business system. So like how it works. You start with very simple, small steps, simple tools, and then you gradually automate most of the business. And you will always have a person, I will talk about it later, who will help you to do it. So I would say there are some like main pillars. I mean, again, our app is very big. There are a lot of agents, there are a lot of functions, and we don't want to make it very complicated for you, even like during the presentation. That's why I would like just to highlight some like main modules that can be really useful in your work. So first of all, everything that connected with content. And I would say like visual content, like AI photos, AI videos for content creation. And it was like, it's more important AI avatars. So you can actually create an AI avatar using your face, the face of your employee or like whatever, and use it for creating content. So you will launch a full-fledged content factory. Again, like usually like everyone needs it for business, for personal needs. We would like to become bloggers, but usually we're stopped that we lack time, we lack skills, we lack apps, we lack a lot of things. Sometimes we just lack motivation. The app gives you this full-fledged content factory in 50 plus languages. Again, like not only English, not only Hindi, not only Spanish, any language, like any market that you wanted to test in. For example, you don't know this language. You do need an entrepreneur, you need a translator. You will be able to create an avatar using like Spanish and try your product in Latin America. Without any shooting, any production, again, you're saving tons of money, you're saving tons of time. I think it's like, I personally think it's amazing. The second module is more about sales, that like extremely important nowadays. So we're talking about near seller. So you will be like using the app OKeyAI, you will be able to create AI sellers that will be communicating with clients on the website, in Telegram, in WhatsApp, in other social networks, because every time like they're becoming more and more integrations with new social networks, including chats and groups. All this is done automatically. What it means, like without any your involvement. So you can actually like just trust or just be like a responsible person who is just looking at the process and understanding where it can be improved. But in general, you can now like with the app, with OKeyAI, you can do sales 24/7 with near sellers that do your job without you and bringing your new clients. Even during night, that is especially relevant if you're working with a different time zone in a different language. What I mentioned before, like the main thing that kind of saving you money, is your AI team. So you have AI specialists for marketing, sales, and business analytics. Again, you have more than 30 ready-made assistants and their ability to create your own based on your needs. So like you like no more need to hire, like whether really expensive specialists or some freelancers who don't do their work properly. I had this experience, unfortunately, and I personally hired like a lot of people for my team when I had an agency. What is a good thing about AI assistants in the AI team? That you create everything based on your needs, based on your tasks, and you can assemble an AI team that automates business tasks. And again, as I mentioned before, if you have no idea how to do it, we will teach you step by step. And like, trust me, you will understand how it works if you're like ready to learn. Like probably in 1 week, you will be able to create your first AI specialist. So it's amazing. And of course, again, like I didn't want to make it like this presentation very long and complicated, but of course, the thing is that we have much more additional tools tailored to your needs. Again, like a bit spoiler, but like when you will be having like learning, you will have your your personal mentor, your personal teacher attached to every person. So since this person will help you also to understand, based on your needs, understand what tools you could use. But what we also have, we have convenient CRM. You can create websites and event pages. You can set up Zoom agents that attend meetings for you, and much more. And the system already integrates more than 10 neural networks, well known that Grok, ChatGPT, HeyGen, Nana Banana, all network that you know, they're already integrated in one app, and the list is constantly expanding. So what you have as a result? As a result, you will have AI business system. AI, we just help you to create your own system. And the main thing that probably I should tell you about the app, that we use a knowledge base, what you don't have when you use different different other systems. You usually have to every time to give this background about yourself, every time telling about tasks, about yourself, about your goals, one more time and one more time. In our app, since you create one knowledge base, everything will be connected to it. And after it, you will be creating content, doing all the things. And the system knowledge base gives already everything to the system about you and about your goals. It's it remembers your data, style, tasks, and uses them across all neural networks and channels. It's extremely important because trust me, again, it saves a lot of time. And what you will get as a result, you'll get you will save up to more than $100,000 per year on services and employees. And of course, you will save hundreds, literally hundreds of hours of free time that can use to improve your business, to increase your income, or just spend time with your family. But I already told you that you are not left alone with AI. The platform already includes 3 courses, and you get access to these courses automatically since you get an access to the platform. They're AI expert, new business model is more based how to get money, optimizing your business, and money for AI. It's the course more about how to make money using our app and using AI. So it's a good thing that actually you're getting a new profession. After learning everything, you will be able to implement AI in your business or earn by implementing it for others. And of course, like I said, I told you before, you will have your personal mentor, and you will be training with a curator, and you will be able to get valuable prizes during the process. Talking about the price and what's included in different price options, there are 3 of them. Actually, everything, if we were talking about a starter pack, it costs some ridiculous money, $1 per month for a subscription. You can't even buy a cup of coffee on this money. You already get training, transcriptions, interaction with the AI assistant, correspondence in messengers, image video generation. The only thing that you don't get the opportunity to earn through the affiliate program. And actually, it's a pretty big thing because it really helps a lot of people to earn money using AI and using our platform. So, and when we talk about advanced and expert, they have the same pool of functions. They, of course, you will get the opportunity to earn through the affiliate program, and different number of tokens tokens. They defined how many image generations, video generations, and other things you can do with the platform. And what we also have, it's important to highlight, when you first time access the platform, you pay one-time activation fee. It will be like $99 per a starter pack, because you don't but again, you don't get an access to the affiliate program. But if you want to get an access to affiliate program, you can get advanced on expert packs. And in this case, one-time activation fee costs $199. But again, even if you compare with the price of courses that you can, if you buying courses on the market, how to learn AI, how to learn using AI, or for example, how to create AI agent. I mean, I'm pretty sure if you're here, you had interest in it and you've probably made your own research. Usually these courses, they're up to thousands of dollars, can go up to infinity. So the thing is that here you get access to the platform where you already have courses you can learn. You already have access to all neural networks. Again, you can not pay subscriptions to them. Again, yeah, you can generate sales. You already even using what you already have and improving processes, you will save a lot of time and money. So this price for subscription, I mean, in my opinion, it's very low if we talking about the value that it gets to you and to your business. So probably if you already, hopefully, if you already when you listen to this presentation, you tried to Google or to download the app, you will see that you will not be able to get access with it just from the internet, because our platform is private. It's a closed platform. It's a community of people who want to learn the AI and build a new income model. That's why to get access to this platform, it's only possible through partner links. So please, if you're watching this webinar, you probably receive the link from your partner. Just contact the partner and he will give his referral link and explain everything. And this person will be also helping you to navigate the training, understand the product, and quickly achieve results. Like I mentioned before, this person will also become your mentor. So it's also extremely important for us that you don't just use an app. You get your own personal mentor. And again, you will get the results tailored to your needs. OKeyAI is a product that you can trust because we already received very positive reviews about the app. So the most of people are really satisfied with the experience and they review their subscription every month. And for now, we have more than 13,000 active users all over the world. So I think it's now it's the best time. It's the beginning of 2026. You're probably watching it later, but the thing is that it's now the best time to start earning with AI. Again, not just using AI. Probably you already use AI, but I bet you didn't earn money on it. Probably. Hopefully I'm wrong, but now it's a really good time to start earning money with AI. And the market will be exploding and more people will be using it, using this opportunity is now the best time to start. And please contact with your partner if you're interested to get more information, to create your personal plan of learning, and to help you to close the task that you had for this year regarding your income and in general growing your business or your personal growth. So yeah, thank you.